Okay. Right. So can I play a decent game today? That's a good question. This might be a good time to start before I lose my rating. I go below 2100. If I can just pull myself together. Maybe knight b5 here. Instead of giving black the centre with, let's play like Karpov c4. I think he did play this sometimes. Is he going to break the bind? If not, bishop f3. I'll try and keep the bind. And a reasonably same position, I hope. So, if I can get bishop b2 in. Okay, maybe do something with this knight. Maybe bring it to e3. Just make sure d5 is not so tempting. Okay, so bishop e2 here. I hope. I'm not really sure about my judgment today, actually. So bishop f3 loses the f4 pawn. I've noticed that. So g3. So bishop f3 coming up. Okay, maybe not. Maybe not. Right. So queen. If I play queen e1, there's bishop c5. Okay. I'm in the firing line of losing a piece here. That's pretty terrible. I can lose the exchange, hopefully, or maybe not. No, I'm losing a whole piece. Oh dear, oh dear. What a day. Terrible. E6 is a shot against G7. It's taken away. So I'll play rook. Okay, just rook c2 for a moment. Okay, now this is a piece down, so looks pretty grim actually. What am I going to do with the king? Stick it over here for a sec, just to break the pin. Maybe king g1 would have been better. So a pawn for a knight, not such brilliant deal. Pawn for knight. So knight d4, rook c4. Can I get rid of that knight? Is that the move he missed? Rook c4. So f5 knight g5 is a bit unpleasant, embarrassing. Okay. Try and keep hold of, well, maybe away from that knight g5 business. What about queen c7? Actually, that's interesting. So f5. Can I try and win that a6 pawn? Is that some glimmer of hope? Winning a6. It's not going to happen here. Unless rook d6, takes 6, got king f8. If I can play rook over here, or rook a5, there's knight d4. So that's pretty hopeless. Could be a good time to give up now. That's king e4 is useful. Here's a b7. Nope. I think I'll give up here. This is the point I'm going to give up. Okay, that was horrible. Another horrible game. Okay, I think I've been wounded maybe after that first game today from a really good position. And, but you know, it's hard on the ACC auto pairing. Okay, thanks so much.